Have you ever wondered why Apple, the master of integrating hardware and software, has never released a branded smart television? For years, the tech world has speculated about an Apple television. But the reality is, the company's strategic decisions are the real reason we don't see one. The primary reason Apple likely avoids manufacturing its own smart TV is to protect its thriving Apple TV product line and its carefully constructed content distribution model. By offering the Apple TV box, Apple acts as a gateway. It allows users to access Apple's services like Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, and the App Store on any compatible television if they made their own TV. They'd essentially be competing with the very TVs their current product relies on. The global smart TV market is incredibly competitive, dominated by established players like Samsung, LG, and Sony, who have massive manufacturing capabilities and established supply chains. Apple's strength lies in its ecosystem and software integration. Their focus is on creating a seamless experience across all their devices. The Apple TV box, as a standalone accessory, perfectly fits this strategy by enhancing the smart capabilities of any television, not just one they manufacture. Manufacturing a TV would require enormous upfront investment in R&D, factories, and distribution networks. Apple seems to prefer leveraging existing hardware manufacturers and focusing its resources on software innovation and content creation, where its competitive advantage is strongest. So, while the dream of a fully integrated Apple television may linger for some consumers, the strategic logic suggests Apple remains committed to its current model, empowering existing TVs with Apple's sophisticated software and services. But will this strategy always remain the same? Only time will tell. What are your thoughts on Apple's approach to the smart TV market? Let us know in the comments below.